Hey there, everyone. Get ready to unleash your financial prowess because we're about to reveal the ultimate financial asset you possess, your earning power.
The biggest financial asset that you have going for you by miles is the value of your own earning power over the years. So that's really what you should focus on.
But beware. Your financial journey can take a nosedive if you overlook these spending habits. Warren Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, has pointed out 7 common money traps that many people fall into. The last one will surprise you. 1. Credit card overspending. We've all got them, but are you using them wisely? Credit cards can either be our allies or our enemies, depending on how we wield them. Banks entice us to spend on credit, but is it for our benefit or theirs? Remember, every credit payment is essentially a loan with interest. Missing a monthly payment can lead to hefty penalties. If you're not 100% certain you can pay the balance in full every month, it might not be the best idea.
As a general matter, as a one piece of specific financial advice, I would say, avoid credit cards. Just forget about them. We're in various businesses that issue credit cards. The American public loves credit cards. But if you start revolving debt on credit cards, you're going to be paying 18 or 20%. And you can't make progress in your financial life going around borrowing money at 18 or 20%. You can make a lot of money by lending it out at 18 or 20% over time. If you can find anybody that's good that will borrow from you. But you don't want to be on the side of the equation that's always behind in life. I was lucky. I'd saved about...
Paying with credit often creates the illusion of affording more than we actually can. For instance, having the ability to pay $395 a month doesn't necessarily mean you can afford a $50,000 Mercedes. Accumulating deferred payments on various purchases can lead to financial trouble. It's wise to avoid this option, even if it means delaying or giving up on some things.
It's way easier to stay out of trouble than to get out of trouble financially. And I will guarantee you, if you run a big credit card debt, you will be in trouble probably the rest of your life in terms of your financial situation. On the other hand, if you get ahead of the game, even if it's on a very modest scale, so that money is coming in from investing, and people owe you money or equities owe you ownership, you'll be way ahead of the game compared to paying it, paying your creditors every month. So my advice to you is, if you can't pay for it, don't buy it.
2. Excessive dining out. We all savor dining out, but do we really need to do it every week? Probably not. Cooking at home can save you a bundle and promote a healthier lifestyle in the long run. If cooking isn't your forte or you're short on time, explore quick and simple recipes or dedicate a couple of hours each week to batch cooking. The internet is brimming with tips and shortcuts for preparing delicious meals. Preparing meals at home gives you better control over your diet and allows you to gradually incorporate healthier foods, which is a double win. Save those restaurant outings for special occasions and watch your savings flourish. 3. Unused gym memberships. Do you have a gym membership collecting dust? It's time to either break a sweat or break up with that membership. Don't pay for something you're not using. Gyms often offer discounts for annual payments, knowing that most people drop out after a couple of months. In fact, statistics show a whopping 75% abandonment rate within the first few months. They count on earning income from inactive members. Start with budget-friendly workout options and outdoor activities and level up when you're truly committed. 4. Subscription overload. Welcome to the subscription era, where everything from pet supplies to craft beers can be delivered to your doorstep. Do not forget the most common ones, those on your TV, computer, or phone. It's easy to lose track of these sneaky automatic charges. But here's the catch. They add up, and you're probably spending way more than you realize. On average, people estimated spending about $86 per month on subscriptions. However, when questioned about specific categories, the actual average amounted to $219, a significant $133 higher than their initial estimates. As you can see, consumers not only lose track of their monthly subscription expenses, but also forget how many services they've subscribed to and use. It's a slippery slope with subscriptions because it just happens automatically and you're not actively making that purchase every month, explained Douglas Boneparth, a certified financial planner who serves as the president of Bonafide Wealth in New York. The proliferation of subscription services in the past decade has made monitoring them quite a task. In 2020, the average consumer had a staggering 12 paid subscriptions for media and entertainment services alone, according to Statista. Millennials led the pack with a whopping 17 subscriptions on average. So time to declutter your financial life and cancel the ones you don't need. 5. Skincare excess. Are you stacking up skincare products like there's no tomorrow? Skincare is essential, but here's the deal. Most folks tend to accumulate more than they need, enough to last several lifetimes. Some don't realize that creams and makeup also have expiration dates. Avoid impulse buying and consider whether a new product enhances your routine or if it's just a novelty purchase. Take your time to make informed choices. A high-quality red lipstick is better than 5 you're not 100% sold on. And this isn't just for women. Everyone should prioritize skincare, taking this in consideration. Finding one simple and effective skincare routine with few quality products to save both money and skin. Navigating these challenges can be tough, but fear not. We're here to guide you through them. To ensure you never miss out on our valuable tips and solutions, hit that subscribe button right now. By becoming a part of our community, you'll gain access to a wealth of knowledge that will empower you to conquer challenges like a pro. So don't wait any longer. Join us today and embark on a journey toward success. 6. Overspending on clothes. Ever wondered why billionaires like Mark Zuckerberg, Warren Buffett, and Steve Jobs keep their wardrobes simple? It's about efficiency, focus, and making fewer decisions in the morning. These iconic figures understand that by streamlining their clothing choices, they eliminate one less distraction from their already busy lives. It's not that they lack style or individuality. Rather, they recognize the power of a carefully curated wardrobe in maintaining their mental clarity and productivity. Sticking to a timeless wardrobe of quality basics can help you resist fleeting fashion trends and impulse purchases. These timeless pieces, such as a well-fitted white shirt, a classic pair of black trousers, or a versatile blazer, never go out of style. They form the foundation of your wardrobe, allowing you to mix and match effortlessly while always looking put together. When you invest in these staples, you're not just buying clothing, you're investing in your own style and comfort. Before succumbing to the allure of the latest fashion item, take a step back. Wait a couple of days to see if you still want it as much once the initial urge subsides. Oftentimes we get caught up in the excitement of a new trend, only to realize later that it doesn't align with our personal style or needs. This waiting period can save you from buyer's remorse and cluttered closets, as well as helping you make more intentional choices when it comes to your wardrobe. When shopping for special occasions, consider whether you'll reuse the outfit, or if renting or selling it afterward makes more sense. Many people fall into the trap of buying formal attire for a single event, only to have it collect dust in their closet afterward. Renting or selling can be a more economical and sustainable choice, allowing you to enjoy a variety of outfits without overspending. Plus, it's a way to reduce your environmental footprint by participating in the growing movement toward a circular fashion economy. Remember that clothing should look and feel good, and it's more about quality than quantity. Invest in well-made, durable pieces that stand the test of time. Quality fabrics and craftsmanship not only ensure longevity but also enhance your comfort and confidence. When you choose quality over quantity, you reduce the need for frequent replacements, ultimately saving money in the long run and contributing to a more sustainable fashion industry. In conclusion, adopting a minimalist and thoughtful approach to your wardrobe can help you avoid overspending on clothes. It's about choosing timeless pieces, resisting impulsive purchases, and prioritizing quality over quantity. By doing so, you'll not only simplify your mornings but also your life, leaving you with more resources to invest in what truly matters, all while reducing your impact on the environment. So, next time you open your closet, consider the wisdom of these billionaire minimalists and make choices that align with both your style and your values. 7. Ignoring personal development. This last piece of advice might surprise some viewers, but neglecting personal development can ironically lead to wasted money. As Warren Buffett wisely advises, not investing in personal growth is akin to flushing money down the drain. Enhancing your skills, expanding your knowledge, and investing in education can supercharge your earning potential. Knowledge and abilities are invaluable assets that stay with you throughout life, making them the gifts that keep on giving. So don't hesitate to invest in books, courses, and experiences that elevate your game. Remember, the journey to financial success begins with you.
Most people go through life using up a very, very small part of their potential. And so anything you do that invests in yourself, that's the best investment you can possibly make.
If you feel inspired by this video, please press the like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to continue receiving advice and motivation to achieve your goals.